Dear students, good morning to everybody. Today we have discussed about the solution of non-linear equations. In earlier sections, we have developed so many iterative methods for solution of a single linear as well as non-linear equations. In this section, we consider the system of non-linear equations. System of non-linear equations in n unknowns can be written in this form fj x1 x2 and so on xn, where x1 x2 and so on xn are unknown variables. To find the roots of the system of nonlinear equations, we will discuss about two methods. First, Newton-Raphson method, and second, general iteration method. First of all, we discuss about Newton-Raphson method for a system of nonlinear equations. For simplicity, we consider the system of two nonlinear equations in two unknowns, suppose x and y. Suppose we are taking two equations f(x, y) equal to 0, g of x, y equal to 0 by the Newton-Raphson method. Let x0, y0 be an initial approximation to the root enzyme eta of the system of equations first. अपने एज्यूम करके चल रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि एक्साई और नीटा जो अपने पास जो सिस्टम ऑफ नॉनलिनियर इक्वेशंस लिया है, एक्स और वाई यहाँ पे दो अननोन वेरिएबल्स हैं, उनके एक्साई और नीटा इनके यहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट सॉल्यूशंस हैं. नाउ we will take xi equals to x0 plus x and beta equals to y0 plus k. Then from equation first we get after substituting the value of x and y, we have f of x0 plus x, y0 plus k equal to 0 and g x0 plus x or y0 plus k equals to 0. Expanding the system 2 by the Taylor's theorem of function of two variables, we have f of x0 y0 plus x into del f by del x plus k del f by del y at the point x0 y0 plus and so on, and g of x0 y0 plus h into del g by del x plus k into del g by del y x0 y0 plus and so on equal to 0. Neglecting the second and higher order terms, we get, and if we denote f of f0 comma y0 equal to f of del f by del x at the point f0 y0, this is f of 0, or del g by del x at the point f0 y0 etc. Then we have this can be written as f of 0 plus h into f of 0. This is g f 0 plus k f of y0 equals to 0 and g of 0 plus h into g of 0 plus k into g of y0 equals to 0. If we solve this equation, then we get h minus k, this is 1. H equals to this is plus h zero. This is f of y0 into v0 minus g of y0 into f of 0. K is f of 0 into v0 minus g of 0 into f of 0 equals to 1 upon f of 0 g of y0 minus g of 0. This is f of y0. Therefore we get h equals to f of y0 g0 minus g of y0 f0 upon f of 0 g of y0 minus g of 0 f of y0, and k equals to g of 0 f of 0 minus f of 0 g0 upon f of 0 g of y0 minus g of 0 f of 0. If we denote j equals to f of 0, f of y0, this is f0, this is y0, not equal to 0. Then we have h equals to minus j1 upon j and k equals to minus j2 upon j. This is known as Jacobian. Where J1 equals to, this is f of 0, f0, g of y0, this is g0. J equals to 0 over 0, f over 0, this is g0, f over 0. Substituting the value of h and k, then we get first approximation. x1 equals to x0 plus x and y1 equals to y0. Proceeding in the similar way, we can get successive approximations of the roots of the system of nonlinear equations. This method has rate of convergence is 2. Its convergence rate is quadratic. Thank you.